Hey huns, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be letting you guys see what's in my beauty fridge. Yes, I am very aware that beauty fridge can seem a bit excessive, but for me, I have a lot of products that need to be temperature regulated, and also some products work better when they're cold, especially the jade rolling pin and certain little things that I like to keep in there. So hopefully enjoy it, and hopefully you may be inspired to get your own beauty fridge. They're not that expensive, and I find that they've been very useful thus far. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I think the link is probably in the bottom corner somewhere or up top somewhere, but it's very obvious. So sit back, relax, and I'll see you guys soon. Alrighty guys, this is it. This is the beauty fridge. This is the brand name, Cooluli. Again, got off Amazon. I think it was 40 something bucks, so not too bad. The plug comes with it. You just have to plug it in down there. And then I'm just gonna open this up. Let me put my camera down once for a second. Alrighty guys, I'm back. So this is mainly what I like to keep in here. I haven't really fully organized it yet. I kind of threw things in there. So it gives you a taste of my personality. These are a couple of the face masks I like to keep in my beauty fridge. This is one by Karuna. It's a hydrating face mask. So anything that's supposed to be hydrating for the skin I like to keep pretty chilled. Another one is the Dr. Jart Pore Minimalist Skin Mask, or sheet mask. And then I also have this plain, well not plain, but a Sephora Cucumber Detox eye patches. I really need to use these. I've had these forever, so hopefully they're still good. Oh, actually no, these aren't Sephora. These are the Thomas Roth. Oh, I don't think I remember buying these. Maybe I got these for free. I don't know. The sad thing is, the main reason why I even got this was for this jade roller, so I wouldn't have to keep it downstairs, because I don't trust my family. They'll probably end up breaking it, so I want to keep it in my beauty area. This is some of the Farcelli oil. I mainly use for underneath the eye. If I ever do conceal underneath the eye, I like to keep this chilled, so because I have any puffing action going on, that helps to depuff. Also like keeping my eye creams in here. This is the Dermalogica-intensive eye repair. I use mainly at night, well always at night. And then for my day cream I use the Kiehls-avocado, letting it focus. The cucumber, well not cucumber, the avocado eye cream. Not sure why it's not focusing. I think it's too far. Yeah, the avocado eye cream. There we go, finally. And then I also like to keep the, oops, almost dropped it there, the Tatcha-Dewy skin mist. Can't wait to start using this again. Mainly used in the summer, but I might as well go ahead and start keeping it chilled now. So, and then I also have the Saturday Skin Essence Spray. This is a must for me to keep chilled. It really helps refresh me in the morning, and also to take away any kind of dryness that I may have. So, love keeping this in here. So far I don't have too much. But I'm always adding new things to my collection. Very cute little thing. They come in like so many different colors. Well, a few colors. But I just wanted black to make it look nice and sleek and kind of hidden and not always in everybody's face. So anyway, so yeah, that's why I keep my beauty fridge. I really like it a lot. It comes in really handy, especially the jade roller. Putting this in the morning, using this in the morning, or using this at night. Either way. And if you want more information about this, just let me know. Again, this is on Amazon as well, but everything else is pretty much from Sephora. So yeah, sprays, facial mask, and my jade roller is what I use it for. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. A lot of different products in there that you may not think could work better if they're cold, but I find that they work better when they're nice and chilled for me, like facial masks and the cream that you saw, my jade roller. I really love the fridge so far. I'm really glad that I did it. It was pretty inexpensive. Like I said earlier, I got off Amazon, so nothing that's gonna break the bank. So you never know. Hopefully down the line you may want to get one and it may work for you. So hopefully you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys again soon.